Sure.
Big babes. Let me get a little more
Fashion.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Brandon, and today we are joined by a special guest, my boyfriend.
Oh, my name's TJ.
Welcome onto the channel. We haven't had him on before, but we have done his hair before multiple times. He has been my practice subject for my hair adventures, but you all may have seen my last hair participant, Kamal, on the channel, who we gave him that
What up, Kamal?
beautiful sandy blonde hair when I had purple. But what are we doing with you today?
We're gonna go soft pink, maybe a salmon-ish color, but shooting for like a strawberry blonde.
Right, strawberry blonde with maybe like some neon salmon highlights.
You can't just be strawberry blonde no more, you gotta be extra, so.
Is that you?
Color Brilliance.
We are using the Ion Color Brilliance. This brand is great. They actually make the best blowout balm. It smells amazing and it feels amazing. Besides the fact, we are using the Ion Brilliance Medium Copper Blonde Liquid Permanent Hair Color in 7RC. And from the same brand, we're also going to use the Salmon color. That name was much shorter than the other one.
Getting the coronavirus supply shortage. We had to buy 100 gloves.
Don't let that information out. I think Sally's would be swarmed because we were at the grocery store and they were in short supply. Everyone was buying all of the garbage, gloves, latex gloves, but we went to Sally's just to get them for this little adventure. Turns out it's going to be multi-purpose during this time of quarantine. And this is day 2.
1.
Stay safe, everyone. Get you some gloves.
Wash your hands.
Every time I touch my face, everyone should take a drink.
Cheers.
Oh, what was that shirt?
Kombucha is the future. That was pretty good. Shout out to whoever that was.
Did you see me trying to not touch my face? Since we are going to lighten the hair and go for a strawberry blonde tone, we are going to have to use bleach. And I'm sorry, I didn't mean to scratch your head. Do not scratch or disturb the scalp before you're going to have any bleach session because it will open up the pores and allow the bleach to cause more dangerous chemical burns, and we don't want that.
How many days should I not wash my hair before I bleach it?
Like 2 days, 2-3 days at least. That would be great. I mean, I'm real dirty, so when I go get my hair done, when I used to get my hair done, I would just not wash my hair for
months.
Not months, weeks though, for sure. I've definitely gone more than like 25 days without washing my hair. But that's with shampoo. I've conditioned in between those days.
Oh.
Yeah, like a wash.
That's
like
like
a co-wash.
That's like Axe body spray for your head.
No, co-wash is all the rage. It was all 2018. We're gonna go in with L'Oreal Quick Blue Bleach. I think this one that we have is like a bad batch or something, but it works fine. It's just that every time I mix it, it's just so chunky. I'll let you mix it today because you're the guest. You need to have, when you start this process, you're gonna need your powder bleach. You're gonna need your powder bleach, so you got your Quick Blue, don't smell it. We also have our color cream, which is our liquid Ion Brilliance in the medium copper blonde. We have the salmon tone, which you're gonna use just like a dab. You're gonna need processing caps or plastic bags. I'm making a video today and from the last one with Kamal where we used the garbage bag. I'm just gonna step it up a little bit.
Really moving up here.
179, y'all. I love him. And you're gonna wanna get you a plastic bowl or stainless. You're gonna get you a bowl and a brush to mix it.
Mix it.
Exactly. Literally, people watch me eat chicken wings. It's not because like a lot of people like really love to hear people eat chicken wings, although I'm sure there's those audiophiles, who love that ASMR. Isn't that the same?
It's just a specific sound that elicits a response in people.
Like. You're welcome. How did I say this? Okay, hey guys. So, what we're gonna do first is we're gonna take the bleach and we're gonna take bleach powder 1 to 2 parts. So 1 part powder bleach to 2 parts developer. And since we're doing like a copper strawberry blonde, we don't need it to be super white. He said it, so it's okay for me to say it. So we did 2 scoops of bleach. That means we're going to do 4 scoops of developer.
Math. And you use this end to start around, or you just use the brush side?
No, use the brush side. This isn't that mixed.
No?
No, this has got lumps in it.
Won't you mix everything?
So, what we're gonna do now is we are going to section off the hair, and we are going to do that so that we can bleach. However, to bleach the hair, we are going to start from the back and work our way to the front, because the front little angel baby hairs here, these little bad boys love to lighten the fastest. This hair in the back is a little denser, so it tends to take a little bit more to lift. So without further ado, let's do the do. Oh yeah, I was like, what are you doing over here? It has been 45 minutes that we have had on our timer, and this is the midway look.
Damn!
Oh wow, it looks much more golden on camera. I'm gonna say that this is maybe like a 8, 9 on the sides and like maybe like a 7 on the top. Hey, little kitty.
I want to bring him in.
He doesn't like to be.
We just want to introduce you to Mister.
Look at little Mr. Baby. We're going to apply our second round of bleach. We're going to be using again the Volume 30 developer with the Quick Blue Bleach. We're going to apply it on the tips of the hair and kind of like balayage, because the top is very light here at the root base and all around the side. So we really just need to touch up right here on the top, right at the crown. Still kind of held on a little bit to that warmth right here back. And then there's also one little spot of a little Dalmatian brown spot. Well, no, Dalmatians have black spots, right?
I know what you mean.
You know what I mean. Hey guys, welcome back.
Hi.
This is after the second round of bleach. As you can see now, we have the perfect little base that we wanted. It's light pale blonde. I didn't worry about taking the top to white because it's just not necessary for the color that we're doing. We're gonna do strawberry blonde anyhow. So for the most part, we wanted to just make sure that we kept the hair as healthy and as alive as we could. Wow, my hand looks so big. Let's move on to the Brilliance. We're going to mix up our colors. Oh! We are going to take 1 part of our liquid permanent hair color to 2 parts of our developer again. We're going to put 2 scoops of that, mix in with our 1 scoop of this.
Focus, focus up in here.
Mom!
Yeah.
What was that movie called? Wild Goose Lake?
It's called the Wild Goose Lake. You are correct.
Okay, let's get it to it.
Should I turn a different way?
Yeah, I can turn it on. Perfecto. Ta-da! We have our lovely blonde strawberry.
Rosé, I think is what we decided to call it.
We decided it's gonna be like it's like really like a sparkling rosé.
Well, this has been fun.
This has been a process that took us, how long did this take?
5 hours.
Has it been that long? The hair is still in good condition. We gave it a nice condition. We gave it a nice deep condition after we washed out all the bleach and the dye. So the curls are still intact. There's not many flyaways, maybe just a few, but it'll settle in a few days. So we'll let this sit, let it
Join my energy aura.
If you guys have liked this video, please subscribe, like, comment, and let us know what you think of Tija's hair.
Rosé all day.
Rosé all day is what we're gonna call it. So if you want rosé all day hair, watch the video.